Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Pinterest account public. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser and search for pinterest.com, or if you're living here in the Philippines, you can search for pinterest.ph. So once you've done that, just go ahead and sign in your account. And once you're signed in, click on your profile photo at the upper right corner of your screen to view your profile. Okay? So here under the profile section, you should see the edit profile button. So click on it. Then here at the left side of your screen, select privacy and data. And under privacy and data, you should see this search privacy. Okay, so as you can see that it is not checked on this box. Okay, so if it is not checked, it means that your profile is public, but if it is checked, it means that your account is not visible to public. Okay, so just go ahead and check that box if you want to make your Pinterest account public. Okay, so once you've unchecked that, just go ahead and click on the save button in order to save your action. Okay, so that is the most important part, to click this save button. Okay, so once you follow all of these steps, you should be able to make your Pinterest account public. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.